are we going to learn Lua. I use the site One Compiler, and you should too. It's the best one, I believe, because it has a multiple assortment of languages, from HTML, Materialize, Bootstrap, blah blah blah, database, studio languages, programming languages too, like Python, Java, etc., etc. So, start out, we're gonna learn how to print a text output. So, type in print, like Python, add that, and then add text. It prints out your text that is in that text. Next up, and before we move on, if you want to add numbers, you're going to have to do this, dot dot, 20, run. Supposed to have this, maybe remove that. Yeah, text 20. There. One sec. Variables is next. Local game equals 20. Print that game, the local. Now variables can be with or without text, or with. Oh yeah, variables, they can't be in this. Good lesson sometimes to use is text that prints out is usually in these most of the time. Anyways, next we're gonna do name. So local game equals text print game. Then it prints out text. Confusing, I know, but game equals text. Text prints out because game is the variable, and the variable is game. Next up, I have a boolean. Local is active equals true is active will print out true. So right here, it's true or false only. If you put something like oh, it gets nil. But if you put false, you get false. Just a little segment there. For here is a little test. In the Discord server, link in the description, you don't have to do this, but you can make a list of local variables that has random strings of ones and zeros. And if you're in the Discord server, I would like you to put it in the channel called Lua. It'll be for sharing progress on Lua, how it works, and basically tutorials by me and some admin, if I ever get it. Next up, I have operators. I have a bit of some here. Print, they will all run. So, 5 plus 3 is 8. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then 10 divided by 3, or whatever that symbol is, modulus or whatever, is 1. Comparison, true, true, true. 5 equals 5. 5 something 5. 3, wait a minute. 3 is greater than 2. Then true and false, false. True or false, true. Not true, false. I believe that's all for arithmetics and all that. Next up, I would like you to create a variables. I don't know if this is possible. Variables, because variables, one sec, local game equals 9 plus 9. I don't know if you know this, but print game. I believe you can print out. Yeah, I would like you to create a list of math equations of their answers and output, and then take an image and then paste it in the Discord Lua channel. Okay, for this time, next. I have conditionals and for loops. Starting out, conditionals. If local score is equal to 75, then if score is greater than 90, then print A plus. Else if score is greater than 80, then print A. Else if score is greater than 70, print B. Else just print C or below. So this basically is like a test. Let me run. B, so 75 is in between A and B, which would be 75. Next, for loops. For every iteration for for iteration equals 1, so you start at 1, do print iteration I n. So it loops 5 times because there's 5 iterations. And next up, for a while loop, local x equals 1. That's where it starts, I believe. While x is greater than 5, do print that, and that. Changing this will change the iteration amount, so it was 5, then back to 5. It, as you'll see, does that. And finally, I believe, not finally, check the script just now, we have functions. So, the Gamer Boy is my sometimes gamer title. So, function print hello did the thing earlier. Greet the Gamer Boy. So if I press play, I mean, it does that. Hello, the Gamer Boy. And then down here, function add A plus B, so A and B, return A plus B, so you're adding A and B, which happens to be 5 and 10, so print the sum of 5 plus 10. Then you get 15. I believe finally now, arrays. Local array, fruits, apples, banana, and cherries. If we use the iteration count again, we use the loop. So, 1 second, let me move the dictionary. For every, there we go. So, apple is iteration 1, so it would be number 1. Banana is iteration 2, so list would be 2. And then for cherry, the list would be 3 because it's iteration 3. And for your final test, I would like you to create something with all of you learned today in a minimum of 50 lines. And I would like you to post it in the Discord server again, Lua channel. And I believe that might be about all today. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll be releasing that later this week or maybe next week. Anyway, stay tuned. Bye-bye.